Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and share with you 5 different websites that you can use to listen to music and you get paid for doing so. Now I know it sounds a bit bizarre, but I promise you it's absolutely true. You can go ahead and listen to music on the radio. There's a couple of different websites where you can listen to new music which has been released, and then there's also a website where you go ahead and listen to music and you provide feedback and you go and try and pick one of the songs which you think is going to be a hit, and you also get paid for doing that. Now I know it sounds bizarre, it really does, but you actually can go ahead and earn music by listening to music and providing feedback and some other bits. Now I'll go through and I'll show you these 5 websites in just a second. If this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark and I share videos and I also blog daily about earning online and working from home. So if you're interested in earning from home, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and then you'll never miss a video. And this here on the screen is just one of my blogs. There's many articles on here about how you can make some extra money working from home. Blog, and I share, there's so many different ways you can make money online. A lot of the things I share on here, they're free to get started, they're simple and they're easy. So go ahead, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and check out some of these, or just simply subscribe to the channel and then you won't miss any of these videos. So let's jump into today's video. The first site we're going to look at is this one here. Now this is called Music X-Ray. So this here, you can get paid in many different formats on this website. It's free to get started. You can see up here, sign up for free. Now you can go ahead and you earn from listening to music, but then there's so many more ways you can earn on this website. There are artists who are uploading their music on here daily and they're looking for feedback, and then you simply go ahead, you listen to music, you provide feedback, and then you go ahead and you earn money from doing so. But then on here as well, this is not just a website for listening to music and being paid for doing so. If I just show you this here very quickly. At this moment in time, you can see on here, I've gone on browse opportunities. There's over 20, well I think there's like 34 pages on here of opportunities. But on the left hand side you've got your categories and you can go through all of these and have a look at these. You can see here radio, playlist and exposure. But basically this is a huge website for people that are in the music industry. And if I just scroll down here, I'll show you some examples on here. So this here, this is a company that's looking for new songs. You can see how much they're prepared to pay out for the music. And then scroll down here, we've got another one here. So this one here needs top 40 type pop songs needed for a film license, and you can see again the payouts here. So this platform, this website, what I'm sharing with you here, this is a lot bigger than just simply listening to music. There's many more opportunities on here, so you can, by all means, you can go through and you can have a look at all of these different opportunities on here, but predominantly this is aimed at people who are in the music industry. So if you're in the music industry, this website is absolutely brilliant for you. And then like I said, you can go ahead, you can filter this by ratings and when it was listed on here and how much you can expect to be paid. But they do offer a simple category where you're listening to music, providing feedback, and you go ahead and get paid. So this is the first one, musicxray.com, and if I scroll down to the bottom, they've got links to all the social profiles on here somewhere. Oh, it's right down here, so you can see you can reach out to them. They're on Twitter, Facebook, and a couple of other websites for you to go ahead and follow up with them on. So that is the first one, Music X-Ray. The next one is called slicethepie.com. Now this is exactly what I said at the beginning of the video. This is you get paid for your opinion. It's as simple as that. So we'll scroll down here, I'll show you the website again. It's free to get started and you can earn some extra money by referring people on here. I'm not referring people onto here, I'm just giving you an overview of the website and you can go ahead and have a look at this yourself. So it talks down here, what is Slice the Pie? So it's the largest paid review site on the internet, and you get paid cash for every review that you go ahead and leave. And then on here you're giving feedback on tracks, clothing and lots more different things for record labels. You can see on here it says lots more goes directly to help artists, record label and brands make decisions. And then obviously the better your review and the more reviews that you're doing, you're going to go ahead and earn money. Now what I would say to you is when you're doing these reviews, don't just go ahead and say nice track, I liked it. Just go and try and give a bit more of a detailed response Be honest. If you don't like the music, then just say that you don't like it. It's not to your taste, etc. But don't just put up a crappy review, because you're not going to earn much from doing so. You can see on here, this is the total number of reviews submitted on the site. This is how much they have paid out. And then again, they've got links to all of this down here. So I'll drop links to the frequently asked questions, everything for you below the video I'm shooting here. But then again, you can reach out to them on all of these usual social platforms. So this one here is Slice the Pie. Again, it's free to sign up. Just go up here. So I'll drop a link to this one here for you. The next one is called Research.fm. Now this is a radio one. So you can see on here how it works. So you sign up, and then once you've signed up, you'll be sent an invitation to take a survey. You listen to and rate some short music samples on their server, and then you claim your reward in the form of an Amazon gift card. So this one's not actually paying you money, this one is paying you in an Amazon gift card. You can then sell the gift card if you want, or you can just use it to go ahead and buy what you would normally buy on Amazon. So this is free. It's really simple to do. They've got all the usual the social links on here, and then there's just this bit at the bottom where it says Amazon is not a sponsor of this promotion, but you are getting paid out via the Amazon gift cards. So this is, like I said, Research FM. This is listening to the radio. We've then got another one here. This is called RadioLoyalty.com. Now, on here again, this is a point system, so you earn points and you can trade your points in for prizes. So if I just scroll down here, again, social profiles, I've got over 16,000 likes on Facebook. Yeah, again, you can refer friends into this and you can make more money by doing so. But again, let me just find where it is. Yeah, here it is. Listeners. So you can listen to over 5,000 different radio stations. You earn points while you listen, and then you redeem your points. So again, I'll drop a link to this one here for you, but it's pretty simple. You have different categories. You can select through your different categories, and then you just simply go ahead and listen to that. And then the final one I'm going to show you is this one here. It's called hitpredictor.com. It's exactly how it sounds. Create an account. Again, you can see it's free. You can follow them on Facebook and Twitter on here. And then Hit Predictor gives you the power to directly influence new music before it's released. So what happens is you go ahead, you listen to some of this music, you predict whether it's going to be a hit or not, and then you earn money from doing that. Now, this is the 5th website. I'll drop links to all of these below for you, so don't worry if I've gone too fast and skipped through this for you. But again, like most things we share on this channel, it's free, it's simple, it's easy. And what I would say to you is, whether you're signing up to any of these different websites on here, or you've signed up to any of the survey sites, or just anything new that you're trying to make money online, what I would say to you is always go ahead and create a separate email address, and then by doing so you're never ever going to go and miss out on any of these opportunities, because out of these websites, 3 of them you can just go ahead and start applying for jobs on there and listening to tracks. 2 of them will send you a link when there is an opportunity available. So if you have that in your normal email, you may potentially miss that. So if you create a new email account for when you're doing things like this, you're not going to go ahead and miss out on them. So that is today's video. 5 different websites on here how you can go ahead and get paid to listen to music. I was just counting because I've got 6 tabs open. So yeah, I'll drop links to everything below this video for you. If you have any questions about any of these, just feel free to go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will answer your question in 24 hours. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.